Save time by adjusting streaming settings from the headset and making it easier to find and launch PC VR games from the library. Instead of changing streaming settings on your PC from VIVE Streaming Hub, you can do it right inside the headset. Open streaming settings by pressing the menu button twice on the left controller. You can then adjust graphics, bitrate, and input settings. You can also quickly switch between viewing apps on your headset and apps on your PC by using the toggle in the upper right corner of the library. If you mostly use your headset for PC VR streaming, set the default library filter to PC VR apps. This way, your library will always show your PC VR apps when you open it, so you can select the game you want to stream right away. To show PC VR apps in the library by default, open Settings, then go to Connectivity and select Computer Connection. At the bottom, turn on Set PC VR Apps as the default library filter. If you pause a game without closing it, you can easily resume it from the VIVE menu. From home, press the VIVE button on the right controller and select Resume. The game will pick up from where you left off when you were last playing. Now you can maintain a seamless streaming experience by adjusting streaming settings directly from the headset and quickly finding and launching PC VR games from the library.